Hello everybody, this is Reverend Bradford with the Redemption and Restoration Fellowship Church. I'm here to invite you for our services on Sunday at 3 o'clock p.m., prayer on Tuesdays at 5:30 p.m., Bible studies on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. You can see all the required information to your right. I ask everybody to come out and have a good time and fellowship with us as we teach and preach God's Word. This is a virtual session where you can also ask questions, interact with those that are present. Come on out, try us. I believe you'll like it. All our times are Central Standard Time. We have those that connect with us from the East Coast through the West Coast. Then we have this that also turns into our video library at YouTube. Looking forward to seeing you. Come on out and join us. You'll be glad you did. Thank you.